In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom search results page using the Elementor PRO theme builder. We will also see together some advanced customizations. I will show you how you can customize completely your title, how to highlight your search results terms, how to display custom loop grids into your search results page, and how to exclude pages from your search results. So basically in this tutorial, you will find everything you will need to set up a custom professional search results page with Elementor PRO. And let's get started! Hi, my name is Pascal and I'm the creator of WP Roadies, the YouTube channel and website where I share my passion about WordPress. So if you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to my channel and to my newsletter on wproadies.com. And now let's start the tutorial. Let's see now what we will create together during this video. We will create a search box like this one, and we will create also a custom search results page. For example, here, if I type in title or any other word, I will find this beautiful page completely customized using the Elementor PRO theme builder. As you can see here, there is a custom title with the keyword, and we will have another search box insert here in our template. I will show you how to do all this. And down here we have all our search results. And in this case, I've also limited the search results to display only my blog posts, excluding all the pages of the website. To start creating our custom search results template, we need to go and activate the Elementor PRO theme builder. If you do not have an Elementor PRO license, just click on the affiliate link below this video and go and buy Elementor PRO. For you, the price will be the same, but you will be supporting my work. So thank you in advance. In the theme builder, we can click on the search results here and we click on the plus icon. We will see this window here. We'll just close this one, okay? And here we will be able to create our custom search results page, like the one that you've seen at the beginning of this video. The first thing we need to do is to go in the settings of this page here, and we can give it a name. In my case, I will just call it search results. Okay, then I click on the plus icon, I insert the Flexbox container. If you need to learn how to use Flexbox containers, and if you need to learn how to use Elementor PRO in general, I have a full 8 hours tutorial linked in the description below and in the first comment, so make sure to watch it if you haven't seen it yet. Here I get rid of this Elementor AI message, okay. In the container, in my case, I go to the advanced tab and I unlink the values of my padding and I add some padding up and down, top and bottom, okay. I will insert here a title, which will be my archive title. To do so and to have more flexibility, I just select a heading widget, okay, and then I choose the dynamic tags here by clicking on this icon, okay, and once I click here, I can choose the archive title, this one. I can go here in the settings, okay, I can select this one. I can decide to include or exclude context. In this case, there is a bug, so Elementor, even if you exclude the context, as you will see here in the search results page, it will still display the search results for sentence. I will show you later on during the tutorial how you can get rid of this sentence and completely customize it as I showed you at the beginning of the video, like in this case. But for the moment, we will leave it like this. And here you can insert some content before and after this title. In our case, we will leave it like this, as I was mentioning before. And at the end of the video, I will show you how you can customize it like this. So let's go on now. We will just place it in the style option at the center of the page. And going back to the content, we will also change it to H1, because this one will be the main title of the search results page. Okay, so it's important to place it as an H1 title. We will go to the style tab, and now I can also change something. If I want to change my styling, I will leave it like this in my case. Now that I have my title here, I can also add some more information about this search results page. For example, I can insert a text editor widget, okay, and I can simply say right inside here, down here you'll find the results of your search. If you do not find what you are looking for, try with a different term or contact us. In this case, I will also have a contact us link here, okay? So that if people are frustrated because they are not finding what they are searching on our website, they can just drop us a line and contact us. Perfect. Okay, so now we can just style this a little bit differently. We center everything. We go and change a little bit the typography, maybe like this. And voila, that's it. Okay, now we will also add a search box down here, okay, so that people can also try to search with different terms. In this case, we just type in search in the widgets and we see that there is this search form widget. Okay, we just drag and drop here the search form widget. We can style it differently if we want. We can change the styling into the style tab. For example, here we can change the text color. We can give it this color here. We can change the background color and maybe use this light background color. We can go and make it a little bit, we can style it, border, this one. We can change the border radius. In my case, it will be 0 pixels. We can change the button here and the text color will be the white color. Background color will be this one. No, maybe the text color, we just need to have a dark one like this, okay? And on hover, we will change it and we will make it pink, background color pink. And voila, so that it will match all the colors and styling of the rest of my website. I can also change the content if I want to type in search posts, for example. I can change the icon, this one. I can also insert some text here. Search, for example. In my case, I will leave the icon, I like it. And I can also go and change the size. For example, here I can make it smaller if I want. And I can change the skin to minimal and to full screen. In full screen, we just have a button, and when you click it, the search opens up full screen. So you have different options if you want to style it differently. I will leave it classic for now, and I will also go to the advanced tab and change it to align self center so that it will match the dimension that I'm going to assign it. If I want to assign a different dimensioning, I can go to the custom here, and I can, for example, here go to pixels and have it 500 pixels, or maybe even less, maybe 350 pixels, like this. It looks good to me, and I can leave it like this, perfect. I can go and save it as a global template, save as global, okay, search box, okay, save. So if I need to use the same search bar somewhere else on the website, I will be able to do it very easily. If I want to change styling here, I can go and edit the global widget. And in my case, I will also change the border width. Let me check here if I go 1 pixel, and let me change the, no, I will leave it like this. I like it. Let me go to the button here. Okay, there's nothing. Maybe we can change the width of the button. Yeah, a little bit wider. Perfect. Okay, let's change just the input styling here, typography, make it a little bit more visible like this, and voila, that's it. Publish. Okay, I will just save it. Now, as you can see here, this will be displayed automatically in my search results page, which is exactly what I want. If you have some messages like this, it means that you already have set up a search results page, and so you need to delete the other one or to disable that. I will just save. I will enable my theme builder, and I will go and search for the search results templates. As you can see here, there is just another one. I will just need to get rid of this one, which is not the one that I'm using. Okay, I will go back now to my search results page. Perfect. And now this is the most important part. We have to add our search results archive, which is this one with all our cards. We can proceed in different ways. The easiest way is to get on the plus icon here and simply add an archive post widget, which is this one. We can drop it down here. We can also insert some spacing here, a spacer, for example, a spacer widget under the box, search box. And here we can style it differently as to match our design, of course. So we can go, for example, with cards. We can choose how many columns. We can choose if I want to show the image or not, masonry or not, image resolution, and so on. In my case, I will get rid of some elements. For example, this, I don't need them. Okay, I will show the excerpt. Yes, of course. And I will also, yes, I will show the read more button. I will maybe hide the avatar. I do not need it. I will also hide the category badge. And okay, that's it. Perfect. Let's make sure now to go to pagination. If we need to change something right here, you see here, we can choose, for example, number plus previews and next, which is more clear. Okay. We can also change whatever we want right inside here. We can go to the advanced tab and change the text that is displayed when there is no content in the search. So for example, nothing found. Please repeat repeat your search. Okay. And then in the style tab, we can go and change the nothing found message. For example, we can change the typography and make it more visible. We can change the color, for example, and so on. We can change also the content positioning here and all the styling of the different cards. In my case, I will just leave them basic. So I will give you a quick example on how this works. I will just publish again my page, okay, which is already assigned as a search results template. And I will go and test it out. To test it out, I will simply go to my blog page and add a search box. So I will go now here to my website. We'll go back to Exit to WordPress, visit the website. I will go to the blog page and I will add down here a search box. So click on Edit with Elementor. In my case, I have a custom blog archive template. I explained to you how you can create beautiful blog archive like this one if you follow my full 8 hours tutorial that you find linked in the description below and in the first comment below this video. Okay, I click here on the blog archive template. Perfect. I will go on the plus icon and I will go into the globals and I will insert my search box right below here. Okay, search box. Perfect. I will publish now. I will exit this page and I will go and visit my website. I will go and visit my blog page and now I will find this beautiful search post box. So now let's type in something like, for example, lorem ipsum. And voila, this is our beautiful search results page. As you can see here, the title displays our keyword, which is the search term, which is lorem ipsum in our case. There is all our elements that we insert during the creation of our search results template. There is this beautiful search box that the users can use again if they're not satisfied with the search results. And you have your beautiful grid, which is the archive, which is automatically displaying all the search results. And if I click on the posts, I can go and visit the single post. Perfect. If I go back now to my search results page, now what happens if you want some advanced customizations? For example, you want to take control of the title and change it to whatever you want, like I did in the example here. Or, for example, here you want to change the kind of items that are displayed in the search results. For example, you want to exclude the pages. In my case, as you can see here, there are not only the posts of my blog, but also the pages are appearing in the search results. And in many cases, this is not necessary. To customize the title and to exclude from the search results the pages, for example, you will need to install a free plugin which is called Code Snippets, but we will see it later on during the tutorial. Now let's start to see how you can achieve this advanced customization. The first customization that we will do is to substitute this archive here by using the Elementor loop grid. So let's open the theme builder to the search results template, okay, and let's edit the archive widget. We'll just get rid of this widget here. I will delete it, okay? And I will add inside here a loop grid. In order to use the loop grid correctly, you will need to create a loop grid template in your theme builder. I explained to you how you can do so in my free 8 hours tutorial, which is available on my YouTube channel, and you will find the link in the description below and in the first comment of this video. In my case, I will leave here the selection on posts because I want to display posts, and I will go down here and I will type in card. I've just created some blog cards that I can use to display the search results. For example, this one will be my template, and as you can see, it's a customized template and it will work perfectly to display my search results. Okay, I can choose here the number of columns, the number of items per page and so on. But the most important part here is the query. You must go here into the querying section and you must select here current query. It's very important to select current query because this is the only way at the moment to make this element here work with the search results page. Okay, if we want, you can also change the pagination options, like for example, numbers plus previous and next. Okay. This will work fine. And into the additional options tab, we can add a nothing found message. I will customize this message right now. Okay. I've written here, nothing found here, please repeat your search. Okay. And I can align this to the center. I can go to the style tab and change the nothing found message style. And for example, I can add some spacing to the top and to the bottom right here. I can even change the typography and can make it visible. I can change the color and make it more visible. Okay, I can add also a text shadow if I want, maybe like this. Okay, and let's publish and let's go and see how this will look like in the front end. So let's make a quick search on our website. I will go to my blog page. I will type in a search, for example, lorem ipsum. Okay. These are the results, and as you can see here, the results are displayed using my custom loop grid. Beautiful, wow. If I type in WordPress, okay, so this is working fine. In my case, as you can see here, it is also displaying my pages, not only the blog posts, but I will show you later on how you can exclude the pages and show only blog posts or products in your search results page. Let's make another quick test. If I try to search something which is not present in my website, for example like this, I will see my nothing found message, which is the message that I've just customized before. And if I go back here and repeat my search, it will display all my content like this. Okay, so now you just saw how you can use the loop builder to display all your search results in a beautiful and customized way. Let's see now a quick way to exclude from the search results the pages of your website and display only the blog posts. To do so, we will install a free plugin which is called Code Snippets. Let's go here in the backend. We'll go into the plugins, add new plugin, and we'll search for Code Snippets. Okay, so this is the plugin that we will search for, Code Snippets. It has almost 1 million active installations, which is huge, and we can install it immediately. Okay, install. Let's activate the plugin. Okay, perfect. And let's see that if we reload the page now, we will see that the plugin will be okay here in this item, snippets. We click on all snippets and we will just need to go on add new snippet here. Okay, this will be a functions PHP snippet, and I will leave you the link below to download it for free. We will call this snippet here limit search results to posts and products if you're using WooCommerce, and you can copy and paste the code right inside here. This will be the code, very easy. We just leave it as it is. We can add a tag here. I will add a tag which will be the search results tag. Okay, and now I save changes and activate my new code. You will see now that if I repeat the same search here, the same query, I go and search, for example, for WordPress. Okay, nothing found, perfect. Instead of showing me the pages of my website, it will display nothing found, perfect. If I type in lorem ipsum, it will just display only the blog posts of my website, perfect. And it won't display any of the pages of my website. If I try to type in about, for example, like the title of my about page, it won't display my about page, but it will say that there's nothing found, perfect. While if I type in a keyword that is present in a title of my blog, it will display my blog posts. Perfect. Now let's see how you can take full control of this part, of the title of the search results page. If you enable the theme builder, okay, you will see that if you try to take control of this part, you cannot do it because there is a bug here. If you go in the options here, normally you will be able to exclude the context by clicking here on this icon, but it is not working. The search results for it's still here. Okay, so how you can get rid of this? We will just need to use another code snippets using the same plugin, custom code snippets. So let's go back into the backend here. Okay, we'll go and click on these snippets, all snippets, and we will add a new snippet. We will call this one delete search results for title. Okay, let's copy and paste the code. I remind you that all these codes will be present in the description below, and I can add the code right here. Okay, and I'll be able now to go here. I will use the same search results tag, okay, which is this one. Okay, enter and save changes and activate. Perfect. Now if I go back to my search page, I will see that there will be no more title. So if I type in this, for example, the title won't be present. There will just be my search term. Okay, so now I can finally go to my search results. I can go and select the title, okay, and I can change here in the settings. I can then go to the Advanced tab and I can insert some content before and some content after. Here, for example, I've typed in "you've searched for," then I've opened this. So I go to the before section here and I'll type in "you search for," and I've inserted this punctuation mark here. Okay, perfect. I don't know how to call this, but it's like this, okay? And then I go on by inserting all the rest of the sentence, like this. And if I want, then I can also use an emoji. Okay, so I will place this punctuation here, this one. So, okay, this sign here, and then, okay, comma, and then all the rest of the sentence. Okay, let's make a quick test now. We publish here, we go back to our blog, and we type in something here. And voila, you search for super yeah. Here are your results. Down here you'll find the results of your search. If you do not find what you're looking for, try with a different term or contact us. So we customized completely our search results title, which is great. And what about highlighting the search results terms? It's very easy. You just need another plugin, which is very lightweight. And for example, here, if I type in awesome, I'll see that all the search results terms will be highlighted, not only in the titles, but even in the excerpt. If I type in nice title, for example, I see that in my excerpt here, all the keywords are being highlighted. Perfect. And there is a really lightweight plugin to do this. You go on plugins, add new plugin, and you search for highlight search terms. Okay. This is the plugin that you need to install and activate. And once the plugin is active, it will work automatically. So you just need to go back to your website, you search for something, and in your search results, all the search terms will be highlighted. So you have just created a beautiful and professional search results page using Elementor Pro and Elementor Pro Theme Builder. I hope that this video was useful for you and for your business. And if this is the case, you can help me grow my channel by giving me a thumbs up and sharing your feedback in the comment section below. Before saying goodbye, I also wanted to remind you that I have a full 8-hour tutorial about Elementor Pro. This is free and it's available directly into my YouTube channel. I'll show you in this tutorial how you can create from scratch a beautiful and professional website using this powerful page builder. So make sure to check it out. I will leave you the link in the description below. I wish you now all the best with all your WordPress projects and hope to see you in the next video.